There is, there is popular drink everywhere in a shop, or if you're at home, you always feel to make. This one is called latte. So here I want to show you how to make latte step by step. I will start with grinding my coffee. I do extraction and I do steaming milk, and I will pour latte art. Okay, so we want to do it together step by step. The first things I will do, I will take my portafilter. This portafilter, it can out 20 grams of coffee. Okay, then I will flush my group head so that I can clean some particles of coffee stay inside. After rinse, I will close my group head. Then I will do what we call grinding my coffee. I will grind my coffee. Already I calibrated my coffee. These things will run later. Then after I will grind my coffee. When you grind your coffee, already I calibrated. This is exactly 20 grams of coffee. Then I will do tamping, leveling, and tamp. After tamp, I will hang the portafilter in my group head. Then I will clean some water down. Then I will put my cup. Then I will start extraction. Now this is my espresso. So espresso came on the 7 second. So I will stop my extraction on 25 or 26, because this one is not automatic to stop it itself. So I have to stop it. But the other machine we found they have automatic, so that when you do extraction it will stop automatic. But this one I have to stop it. Okay, so I will take my milk, then I will do extraction, and I will pour latte art. You will see how I do latte art. And this I use double shot of espresso, and I will use steamed milk, and I will pour latte art. Then I will have my coffee latte. So this is how always you have to do your latte, even at home or at shop. So always make sure you steam milk at low temperature, not low, not high. Okay, medium temperature. So the good temperature is from 60 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Above that or under that one, it is not standard. So it will give you a different taste of your coffee. So it's better to make sure you follow that standard. So now I have my double espresso. I'm gonna make a latte art. I will pour my milk, then I will do latte art. Latte art I will do is syrup. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. The first things you have to do, you have to pour little milk in your espresso. Then you shake your cup, and then when you pour at the first time, you pour your pitcher is up. Then when you start to make latte art, you go down. You start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is syrup. Okay, this is